G'day, I'm Angus Stewart, horticulturist and Australian native plant expert. This is Madge the Wonder Dog, but behind me is one of the best specimens you will ever see of the pincushion hakea or Hakea larina from Western Australia. Surely one of our most spectacular flowering native plants in the garden. Over the years, I've learned a great deal because I've grown, propagated, and indeed bred new varieties of native plants. And the idea of getting the very best out of them in garden situations has been one of my career goals. So one of the great myths of growing Australian plants is that they don't need fertilising. Now, they're great survivors in the Australian bush. So when there's not much water and not much nutrient available, our native plants can certainly survive, and that's one of their great characteristics. But if you really want them to thrive and perform like camellias and roses, you've got to treat them the same. Give them some tender loving care. Prune them and feed them and water them when they need it. So fertilising your Australian plants is one of the things I'm very passionate about, to try and get them to reach their absolute full potential. So with this pincushion hakea, a regular diet of fertiliser a couple of times a year has created this brilliant framework where we see just hundreds and hundreds of flowers every winter. So don't forget to feed your Australian plants if you really want them to thrive rather than just survive. Happy gardening.